The storm has now arrived. Hey guys, Stormboy13 here. Yeah, I'm holding my London cap because I think you might be aware of what's happened last night. As we know, if you can hear me clearly, the wind's a bit breezy today. The UK has been hit by another terror attack in 3 months. Third one, so we had it in London back in March, then we had Manchester 2 weeks ago, and now it's London again today. So I don't know what's going to happen next. Hopefully it won't be any more. That's what the main theme is. Mark my respect to London, rest in peace to the ones who tragically lost their lives, and we're here for you, London. You're my favourite city in the UK, so I'm with you 100%. Okay, I know this looks a little bit unusual, but this is just how upset I am of what's happened with this terrible incident of what's happened in this UK. So, okay, this video is weather for the week ahead, so probably just going to skip to this, and unfortunately, it's not going to be a great week, I'm afraid. Generally, it's an unsettled, but there's a little bit of uncertain, though, for this week. There's just a lot of things happening, and it could turn warmer by the end of this week, but it could trigger off some thundery downpours. There's a bit of uncertainty, though, so it might not happen, so please don't take this as a certainty, guys. There's a lot of doubt about this, so let's go through day by day. Today's weather, even today's not looking great, I'm afraid. It started off bright, but it's clouded over, quite breezy this afternoon, and there's a chance of some showers into the afternoon. We might not even catch one, and temperatures will be around highs of 17 degrees Celsius today. Tonight's weather should be mostly dry tonight. Showers should ease away, generally quite cloudy, and temperatures lows of 10 Celsius. So for Monday's weather tomorrow, it was going to be raining throughout the day. I think thankfully it's delayed a bit slightly somewhat, so you might have a dry morning. There is still a chance you could have a wet afternoon, and by the time we get to the evening it could be a bit of a washout, so possibly, and it could be quite unseasonably windy as well. So temperatures tomorrow, not too bad. I guess if you get a bit of sun, it might feel okay. 17 degrees Celsius, that's near average for this stage in early June. But as we get to the evening, it's going to be a quite wet and unseasonably windy night. We could see gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour in places potentially, with the isobars being quite squeezed together. It's going to be like this all night as well. So a bit of a wet end to Monday. And then on Tuesday, eventually the rain might clear away, but even if it does clear away, we're in the centre of the low pressure, so that means showers are very likely, and again the isobars are tightly squeezed, so it's going to be a very windy spell on Tuesday with some sunshine and some blustery and potentially thundery showers on Tuesday, and temperatures, to start onto it, really not feeling like summer, 15 Celsius at the very best. Then on Wednesday, a brief ridge of high pressure, and winds should be lighter as well on Wednesday until things go downhill once again. So actually make the most of the dry spell on Wednesday. We might see some sunny spells, and temperatures 17, maybe 18 degrees Celsius if you are lucky, so it might not feel too bad on Wednesday. That's the only best spell you're going to get for this week, because by the time we get to Thursday, although we might start to see some warm air potentially, this might still be a westerly direction, it might be a southerly direction, so there's a lot of doubts about it, but potentially we could see, it's just a possible, by the way, it's not a definite, but we could see some warm air from the constant tracking its way across the UK. Doesn't mean it'll be dry, I'm afraid, because we've got low pressure to the west, high pressure to the east, so that's bringing in some warm winds. So potentially some thunderstorms is a possibility on Thursday. Temperatures at this stage staying 18-19 Celsius. We might hit the low 20s, so 22 could be possible, and maybe again on Friday, very similar pictures. There's a lot of uncertainty by the end of this week as well, so anything can change. So just stay tuned to the weather forecast. There may be some sunshine, but there's a chance some more thunderstorms or heavy thundery showers once again on Friday. Temperatures 18-19, you never know, it could be warmer than that, might reach 22. And then as we approach into next weekend and to the following week, generally it could stay quite unsettled at times. a bit breezy, but I think we will see some warm winds continuing, maybe at least for a time. So temperatures, it could reach into the 20s by next weekend, maybe mid-20s, if you never know, if that happens, depending how far the warm air sinks upwards towards the UK. So there's a chance of some, again, further thundery activity into next weekend, into the following week. It will feel warm though, so it's definitely not going to feel that cold if it does happen. But there's a lot of uncertainty and things can change by then. So a lot of uncertainty this week. So sorry this is not a clear forecast, but honestly, there's just some computer models are just going through completely different facts and opinions, so just stay tuned to it. That's my main advice, but it will generally be unsettled anyway. Just don't know whether it's going to warm up or not by the end of this week. So thanks for watching. Well, I'm going to be doing anyway the global weather forecasting is going to be in London tomorrow to dedicate to the city of what's happened last night. So there will be a video up tomorrow, and then want me to do any extreme UK weather events for the rest of the week, comment below, it's on the description as well, and same goes to weather vlogging episodes. If you want me to do another episode of which episode do you want me to do for weather vlogging, comment below, it's on the description, and I'll see what I can do for you. Alright, thanks for watching, stay strong London, we're here for you. Like, comment, subscribe, and Storm's now out.